If you've been trying to move your crypto from CoinStats to Cash App and keep running into roadblocks, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process to make it happen, even though CoinStats doesn't support direct transfers to Cash App. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any crucial steps. First, let's clear up a common misconception. CoinStats is primarily a portfolio tracker. It doesn't directly send money to Cash App. This means you'll need an intermediary platform like Coinbase that supports Cash App withdrawals. Start by opening CoinStats and heading to the Portfolio section. Click on Connect Portfolio, then select a wallet or exchange account that supports transfers to Cash App. Coinbase is a popular choice. Once connected, go back to your portfolio and choose Add Manual Transaction. Select the currency you want to move, for example, Bitcoin. Then set the transaction type to sell, enter the amount, and pick your connected portfolio, Coinbase, as the destination. This step effectively moves your balance from CoinStats tracking to Coinbase. Now, head over to Coinbase. Here, convert your crypto to USD if you haven't already, then use the Coinbase withdrawal feature to send the funds to your linked Cash App account. This is the final step, and it usually processes fairly quickly once both accounts are properly connected. So remember, the workflow is simple. CoinStats, Coinbase, Cash App. Connect your portfolio first, manually record the transaction in CoinStats, then complete the cash out through your intermediary, and that's it. If this video helped you finally figure out the process, hit like, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and check the description for additional tips and resources to make your transfers smooth and cost-effective.